Hello friends, welcome back to Smriti Notes for Biotechnology. So in today's video, we will study about HIV life cycle. HIV stands for Human Immunodeficiency Virus Infection. So basically, the HIV attacks and destroys the CD4 cells of the immune system. And CD here means cluster of differentiation. CD4 cells are a type of WBCs that helps play a major role in protecting the body from infection. The life cycle of HIV has 7 major steps, so we will read about each step in detail along with the diagram. Before we start with the life cycle, let's have a look at the structure. It has HIV capsid, HIV envelope, HIV enzymes, HIV glycoprotein and HIV RNA. Also, I've drawn a small diagram. You can use this diagram. And now we will learn about the life cycle. So the very first step is binding, that is attachment. The HIV binds or attaches itself to the receptors on the surface of CD4 cells. The next step is fusion, that means the HIV envelope and CD4 cell membrane fuses, which allows HIV to enter into the CD4 cells. The next step is reverse transcriptase. Inside the CD4 cell, HIV releases and uses the reverse transcriptase to convert its genetic material, that is HIV, to HIV DNA. Now the fourth step, that is integration. That means inside the CD4 cell nucleus, HIV releases integrase and HIV uses this to insert the viral DNA into the DNA of CD4 cells. Fifth step is replication, that is, once the integrated into CD4 cells DNA, HIV begins to use the machinery of CD4 cells to make long chains of HIV proteins, and these proteins are the building blocks of HIV. The next step is assembly, that means the new HIV proteins and HIV RNA move to the surface of the cell and assemble into an immature HIV. Now the last step of HIV life cycle is budding, that is, the newly formed immature HIV pushes itself out of the host, that is CD4 cells, and releases new one, that is the protease. For HIV life cycle, all the 7 steps are important along with the diagram. You can see the diagram as well as the explanation and do not miss out any point. If you find any difficulty, then do comment and let me know. And guys, if you find my videos useful, then do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.